Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. This week I'm going to be showing you how to replace the headlight bulbs on the MK7 Golf, but this process will be the same for many different models of car, so hopefully you'll find this video useful. And I'm going to be replacing the dips beam headlight bulb. It takes a H7 bulb, and I'll be talking a little bit about the different bulbs you can get and do's and don'ts when replacing your headlight bulb. This is the bulb in here we need to replace, but I'm going to be showing you how to replace both of them because I think it's best done in a pair. If they were both installed at the same time, then the likelihood is you'll replace one and then the other one will go very soon after. I'm going to be using standard halogen headlight bulbs. These are made by Bosch, so they're good quality ones, and I'll put a link in the description if you need to get some. If you're after something a little bit brighter, I'll also put a link to these Osram night breaker ones, but with that extra brightness I think you'll find that they don't last as long as the standard headlight bulbs, so it's up to you. First of all, I'm going to remove the old bulbs and then we can put the new ones in. So to remove the old ones, we have to get behind here and we've got to unscrew this cap. So it's quite a tight space. You just have to squeeze your hand in here, unscrew it. That's the cap unscrewed. It's got arrows on there, which way to open. So you twist it that way and pull it off and out in this tiny little gap here. I think it's quite a poor design, if I'm honest with you. You can possibly remove this cover to give you a little bit of extra room if you need it. It won't give you much more, but anyway. Unscrew the headlight bulb holder. It is quite fiddly. You just have to twist this sort of a quarter of a turn, pull it out a little bit, and then try and wiggle it out of that gap. With halogen headlight bulbs, it's best avoided touching the glass because the oils from your fingers will shorten the life of the bulb. If we just get this is the old one, we just wiggle it out. We can keep this as a spare, maybe just put it in a glove box to get us out of trouble, but there's not much life left in this one. Let's get our new one. Remember, don't touch the glass, and then we just slot that back in there. It only goes one way around. You see this cut out here, just slots in there. Make sure it's nicely seated in the holder, and then we can go and screw this back in. It's as simple as that. There we go. And you hear that click when it's seated right. We get this cap and put this back on. I don't think removing this cover gave us any more room. It's exactly the same process on the driver's side, except you've got a little bit more room here. So just twist the cap off, put that to one side, and then we want to get in here and unscrew the bulb holder. It's just a quarter of a turn, anti-clockwise. Pull that out. You can see the filament's gone inside this bulb. Put that in the bin, and we get our new one. Quarter of a turn, and you'll hear it click into place. There we go. Put the cap back on. There aren't any error messages. Let's just go check the headlights, make sure they're on. I'm going to put the old one in the glove box just in case we get caught out in the future. We've got a spare there to replace it at the side of the road if we need to. So there we go, that's how you replace the headlight bulbs on the MK7 Golf and lots of other models of car. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Check out my channel, I've got loads of videos on there, everything from camper van build series, motorbikes, cars, different projects, DIY tips and tricks. Fill your boots, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, take care.